my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satyasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satyasya Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakhar Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees, all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So just I want to speak few words how to develop our spiritual life. Do you want the spiritual life or material life? What do you want? Spiritual life. Do you want to develop your spiritual life or material life? Huh?
Give up material life.
Actually, according to our conditional stage, all you want at a time, two lives should be developed. Spiritual life also, material life. Do you understand here? Eh? But our Shastra is explained, if you develop your spiritual life, then automatically material life will be diminishing. Diminishing, understand? Diminishing. Or if you want to develop your material life, then spiritual life will be diminishing. So what do you want? Because at a time you cannot get two things. Just give an example. One sword, understand? Sword cannot keep inside one the case. Two sword cannot keep the one case. You understand? What do you understand? Two swords cannot keep the one case. This is true or wrong? But we want two things also. We want to develop our spiritual life, also we develop our material life. This is true or wrong? Honestly, you tell. But our scriptures explain this way. At a time you cannot keep the two swords in one case. So what will do now? Problem is coming or not? That means is what? All you want, wealth, money, wife, children, and name, fame, reputation. Also we want to develop our spiritual life. So maybe your question will come, so what will do now? This is true also. So question is coming or not? You want wealth, money or not? You want or not? Yes. You want wealth, money, or do you want Shuddha Bhakti? One hand is Shuddha Bhakti, one hand wealth, money, and other things. What do you want? What do you want? Shuddha Bhakti, you are saying. But I tell you, but if you practice Shuddha Bhakti, then automatically all kinds of material facilities automatically get. Because this is the nature. And if you practice devotional service to Lord, Shuddha Bhakti, then automatically dharma, artha, kama, moksha, samaya, pratiksha. Bhakti stari sthiratam jadija, daivana kusana murti, दैवीन किशोर मूर्ति मुक्ति संग मुक्तांजलि सेवते अस्मान धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष. This verse is very clearly explained here. Bhakti stoitrasa bhagavan jadi sat. One who practice Shuddha Bhakti, automatically dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Dharma means religion, artha means economical development, dharma, artha. Kama means all kinds of material facilities, and mukti means liberation. And all they will also fold their hands and ask to you, please give me service unto lotus feet. So saying this verse, Bhakti stiratara bhagavan jadi sat kisur murti mukti sang muktanjali subhati asman dharmo artha kama moksha samaya pratiksha. And all they are encouraging, you please accept me. Like this. Because this is the nature of the bhakti. If you practice bhakti, automatically all kinds of material facilities automatically come. This is Torah. Come. No, you don't know. Shastra saying this way. Bhakti Devi, she is as like queen. So Shastra gives an example. When queen, she is walking, then her many maid servants and follows her. Who are the maid servants of Bhakti Devi? Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. They will be followed. Jatha Chatikavat. Jatha Chatikavat means as the queen, she is walking, then automatically her many maid servants. They are going. King is coming. Means king is coming with his own antaraj. King is coming, king is not coming alone. Who is coming? With his antaraj. In the same way, if you practice Shuddha Bhakti, pure devotional service to Lord, then automatically all these things are coming. So all your problems solved or not? So what will do? You practice Shuddha Bhakti, pure devotional service to Lord. This is a simple way. Because Bhakti Devi is powerful. So if you practice Bhakti, don't you think I will not get wealth, money or any kinds of facility I will not get. This is not possible. Shuddha Bhakti. Because Bhakti 3 stages, just I told you. One is called Sadhana Bhakti, another is called Bhava Bhakti, another is called Prema Bhakti. When Sadhana Bhakti manifested the heart of the devotee, that time 2 leaves manifested. How many leaves? 2. That is called Klesagni and Subhada. What is it? Klesagni and Subhada. Klesha means all kinds of distress, unhappiness will be destroyed. And avidya, asmita, rag, desh, abhinivesh, pap, bij, papa vasana, everything will be destroyed from our heart. This is the Klesagni. Guna dhat means to destroy. Klesagni. As simultaneously another leaves manifest, that is called Subhada. Subhada means all kinds of auspiciousness. All types of auspiciousness will manifest in your heart. That means all kinds of good qualifications will manifest in your heart. This is the process also. What are the good qualifications? Sattva, Saucha, Daya, Astika, Sattva always will be truthfulness. Daya to the kind, to the others living entities, giving compassion. And 26 types of good qualification of Vaishnava manifest in your That is called Subhada. So Klesagni and Subhada, two leaves, sadhana bhakti. Then when sadhu will come in the stage of bhava bhakti, again two leaves manifest. That is called Sudurlabha or Moksha Lokutakrit. Sudurlabha Krishna Bhakti Prem is very, very rare, not so easy to manifest. But when you so much Utkanta, eagerness will come. That time Bhakti Devi will manifest in Sudurlabha, which is very, very rare, also manifest in heart. That is called Sudurlabha. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, need some art. Art means kala. And eagerness. I want. What do you want? Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Prem, Suddha Prema. I want to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. First Krishna give you material things. Take this. Bhakti Mukti Diya Dhare Prem Dhan Rakhen Lukaya. Krishna will hide the highest prem in his hand. Our left hand will give material things. This thing. But when we hankar, we will no, I want Krishna Prem, Radha Prem. Then Krishna will give. Otherwise not. Bhakti Mukti Diya Tare Prem Dhan Rakhen Lukaya. So now what is Sudurlabha? Sasra sadhanakai. Hari Bhakti Sudurlabha. Hari Bhakti very, very rare, not so easy to attain. Suddha Bhakti. Anna Vidashita Sunnam Jnana Karmadana Britam Anukuleno Krishnanu Silanam Bhakti Uttama. Because Suddha Bhakti, this is the definition of Suddha Bhakti. So just I also come in a place of A, place of the and Sudurlabha. Or simultaneously another leaf manifest, that is called Moksha Lokutakrit. Then you will think Mukti, liberation, this is insignificance. Krishna says also this way. Those who are my pure devotee, Braja Premik devotee, pure devotee of Lord. If I will give the four types of liberation, Mukti in Vaikuntha, Salukya, Sasti, Samipya and Sarupa. These four types of Mukti, if I will give my pure devotee, they don't want. What will say about oneness with Brahma? Sajuja Mukti no one take. Do you want Sajuja Mukti? Means how to merge in Brahma. You want to become Brahma? If you want to become Brahma, Krishna says, okay, I will give you very quick. But those that are pure devotee of Lord, they are saying no need. What's this? So that time sadhu will be saying, oh, Mukti is just completely insignificant. But no need Mukti. Advaitavadis, they want to Mukti. Which Mukti? How to merge in Brahma. Brahma, Sajuja Mukti they want. But those who are pure devotee of Lord, they are saying no need. Krishna says, even I give the four types of Mukti, they don't want. You understand or not? Look this. Salukya, Sasti, Samipya and Sarupa Mukti. They don't want. So what kinds of Mukti they do want? Bole no need Mukti. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya told, I don't want to listen the name of Mukti. Mukti Pade Sadaya Bhaga. As Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya he is reading Bhakti Pade Sadaya Bhaga. Mahaprabhu told, no. What Vyasdeva has written, you have to read. Mukti Pade Sadaya. But what is the definition of a Mukti? Mukti Jannata Rupam Sasarupena Bhavastiti Mukti. Mukti's topmost definition, that is called one who realized his own transcendental constitutional form, Siddhadeva. And with his transcendental constitutional form, direct serve to his Ishtadev. That is called the perfect mukti also. So do you want no? What do you want?
No mukti.
You want to serve to divine Radha and Krishna. How to serve to Radha and Krishna? With your transcendental constitution form, Siddhadeva. So for the Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, what is it called? Dekhite dekhite bhuliv ba kabe nija sthula porichaya. Dekhite dekhite bhuliv ba kabe nija sthula porichaya. Are nayane heribo Brajapura Sobha, Nayane Heriba, Brajapura Sobha, Nitachidananda Maya, Nitachidananda Maya. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, by the performing of bhajan and sadhana, when you free from all kinds of anarthas, anartha nibritis, then you realize your own transcendental constitution form, Siddhadeva. Nija Siddha Deha, Nija Suddha Vasana. You realize this. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Radha Kripa Bole, Labhi Baba Kabe, Nija. Krishna prema prakaranam. Hare Radha kripa bole labhi baba kabe nija Krishna prema prakaranam. Krishna prem prakaran. This is the process of Krishna. Prem. What is that? 11th mood and 5 types of Seva. Understand? 11 mood. That is called Ekadas Bhav, or 5 stages. That is called Panchadasa. What is the 5 stage? Or 5 Ekadas mood. Ekadas means 11th mood. Bhav. Here you realize your Nam and transcendental spiritual name you have. Nam, Roop. Roop means you have nice, beautiful, this form. Not this gross body's form. Your Atma's form is very nice, beautiful. You have everything. If you are Madhurjaras, conjugal mood, then your Atma form, Atma Sarir, very nice, beautiful, and handsome, tender, aged, younger. Everything you have. Just then chanting holy names, then anartha nibritti, then heart will be neat and clean on the platform of Sandhini. Then Sambhit or Radhini will come. Then you slowly realize this. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this. Everything you have. Potent, that is called, how is staying in your heart? Very minute and with potential. Potential, understand?
Potency. Potential. Oh,
Potential, as like the seed.
Thank you.
If the seed that potential, then you plant it and in the earth, give water. Then after a few days the sprout will come. Then plant, then nice beautiful tree, then flowers and fruits will come. In the same way, in the heart of the jivas, that potential you have. Now you cannot see yourself. This is the process also. You have. So saying Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kabhu Noy Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Karaha Uday. Uday means, what is the meaning of Uday? Manifest. Just listen Hari Katha, associate with sadhu, sadhu sangha. That potential will slowly manifest. This is the process of. If that the seed, if in the seed no potential, it will be not manifest. These are true. Simple. So that means is what? You have everything in your heart, everything is there. But that is very tiny and potential. You have, but you don't know.
That's why we need you. That's why we need you.
No, need sadhana and bhajan. Do sadhana and bhajan. So just also Klesagni, Subhada, then Moksha Lugata Krit and Sudurlabha. Bhav Bhaktis, two lives manifest. And then Prema Bhaktis, again, two lives manifested. That is called Krishna Akarshani Chasa. And what is it called? Sandhatma Visesatma Krishna Akarshani Chasa. Sandha, that prema is so much condensed. That is it. Or Krishna Akarshani, and Krishna will be what? Automatically Krishna attracted with you. Krishna will be chasing behind you. And now you are searching, how will you meet with Krishna? How will you get Krishna? But when you come in the stage of prema dasa, then Krishna will run after you and chasing you. Miracle or not? Look this. Dhruva, Prahlad, all they are searching where will meet with Krishna. So they meditate, mantra, performing hard austerities. Look this. I am thinking where will get Krishna. Are in Vrindavan gopis? What they are doing? They are saying, Madhava, Madhava Jahi, Madhav, go down. But Krishna running after them, chasing behind to them. Krishna, he goes to herding the cows. Why? Nanda Maharaj, he has many cows. He has many servants. So why Krishna, he is going to herding the cows. Banam Banantari. Krishna, he goes one forest to another forest. Why? Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained, actually Krishna, he is searching how to meet with the gopis. Understand? These things also. So same way. And you have everything. Just to associate with sadhu and listen Hari Katha, then anarthas removed from your heart, then you realize these things. Understand? One day this gross body will destroy or not? Yes. Inside the gross body, another body that is called subtle body, Sukshma Sari, and mind, intelligence, and man, buddhi, egos, and heart. Also it will be destroyed. That is called perishable, no? Yes. But inside the Sukshma Sarir, subtle body, another body is called Atma Sarir. What is it called? Atma Sarir. Very nice, beautiful form is Eh? Just to give an example, in the wood, inside the wood fire is not. But this you cannot see the fire. But how will see the fire inside the wood? You will take two pieces of wood and rub, then fire will come out. And that fire burn the wood. In the same way, you have everything. Just associate sadhu and it will be manifest. And sadhu sanghan, do bhajan and sadha. Meditate yourself. That is called Atma Dhyan. What did he say? Atma Dhyan. Dhyan means meditation. Dhyan, Atma means soul. Very nice. Now you don't know. So for this guy you are running here and there, what do, and suffering three-folds of Maya. So just coming back this way, bhakti three stages, one is sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti and prema bhakti. But when sadhak perform bhajan and sadhana, step by step, attain his perfection goal, Lord will give mercy to you. So, actually, Sandhanatma, Vishayatma, Krishna, Akarshani, Chasa. Prema Bhakti is two lips means. Sandhanatma means very condensed forms of love, prem. Or Sandhanatma, Krishna, Akarshani. Krishna completely what? Attract. As like lotus blossom, then automatically black bee coming. Lotus is not going to the black bee. Who is coming to lotus? Black bee. So who is black bee? Only Krishna. Look at this. Our devotee's heart is as like very nice, beautiful blossom, lotus. Prosperity that come up. And so much fragrance coming. And inside also pollen, you know pollen? That is called yellow powder. Pollen is there. Look this. Krishna is as like black bee. Our Srimati Radhika, she is as like very nice, beautiful blossom, lotus. So Krishna, he entered in the inner heart of Srimati Radhika. Because Krishna, he is called the best connoisseur. Connoisseur, understand?
Connoisseur.
Connoisseur. Okay. Krishna thinks, oh, I have to taste this. Answer this. So Krishna entered in the inner court of Srimati Radhika. But Krishna's now body completely covered with Srimati Radhika's that pollen. The pollen powder, what color? Golden color. Now Krishna's blackish color covered with golden powder. Look see. When Krishna came out from the inner court of Srimati Radhika, then no one can recognize who is he. They are true. Who is he? Only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So saying the Antar Krishna Bahir Gaura. Jiva Goswami Padahi. Why Krishna inside is blackish or outside golden complexion? Because Srimati Radhika's complexion completely covered. Understand? Because Krishna is thinking, I have to release these things. Siradhaya pranay mahima kidiso banaiva saddodjana madhuma kidiso madhya shokkancha madhuma kidiso biti luvat. Tad bhavadya samajana sachigarva sindhu harindu. Krishna, these types of greed coming. For this regard, Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion. Radha bhava subolita Naumi Krishna. Look this. Because Krishna, these types of greed coming. What kinds of prem in our court of Srimati Radhika. Three things greed has come in the heart of Krishna. What are the three things? Siradhaya, Pranaya, Mahima. What is the glories of divine love of Srimati Radhika? Radha Prem. Understand this? You learn this verse. What is the verse? Siradhaya, Pranaya, Mahima, Kidiso Banaiva. Sadhojo Madhurima. And Krishna thinks, what is my beauty? Always Srimati Radhika, she is releasing. Srimati Radhika, always what is doing? Always releasing the beauty of Krishna. Jaha jaha netra pade, taha Krishna spore. And wherever she is looking, she looking is why Krishna, Krishna. So jaha jaha netra pade, taha Krishna spore. And for this regard, Srimati Radhika's eyes is called, what the eyes, what the color of the eyes of Srimati Radhika? Blue. Blue color. She always everywhere, every direction, she looks. Srimati Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. So saying, jaha jaha netra pade, taha Krishna spore. Wherever she looks, Krishna, 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 Krishna. She did not see anything, only Krishna. Krishna Mai, Krishna Radha, Antare Bahire. Jaha jaha netra pure, taha Krishna spure. Radha Tattva. Krishna Mai, she completely was absorbed with Krishna. Krishna Mai, Krishna Radha, Antare Bahire. Inside and outside, she looks at Krishna, Krishna. So Krishna Mai, Krishna Radha, Antare Bahire, jaha jaha netra pure, taha Krishna spure. Devi Krishna Mai Prokta, Radhika Para Devata, Sarva Lakshmi, Sarva Kanti, Sanmahini Para. Gautama Tantra gives evidence. Srimati Radhika, she is called Devi. Devi means? What do you mean Devi? Devi is very beautiful and form. Devi kohi dutamana parama sundari Kingba Krishna Kidar Vasati Nagari. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Dibbayati Kidayati. There are many meanings. Dibbayati Kidayati. Dibbayati means she is always playing. Srimati Radhika, she is always playing. She is playing with whom? Krishna. Where is Krishna? There is Radha. Where is Radha? There is Krishna. Understand? He Deva, he Daita, he Bhuvanai Kabandhu, he Krishna, he Chapala, he Karunai Kasindhu, he Natha, he Ramana, he Nayana Bhiram, ha ha kadanu Bhavitasmi Bhubur Disorme. Very nice, beautiful this sloka. Learn this verse. He Deva, he Daita, he Bhuvanai Kabandhu, he Krishna, he Chapala, he करुणैक सिंधु। हे नाथ हे रमन हे नयनाभिराम, हा हा कदा नु भवितास्मि भुवोर्दिशोर्मे। Use this word. What? Deva. Dibbati Kridayati. We are saying Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande. Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande. Man manasa madhukara marpaya nija pada pankaja makarande. Krishna Deva Bhavantang Bande. Krishna Deva Bhavantang यद्यपि समाधिषु विद्धिरपि पश्यति न तव नखाग्रमरीचिम्। यद्यपि समाधिषु विद्धिरपि पश्यति न तव नखाग्रमरीचिम्। इदमिच्छामि निसम्मतवाच्युत तदपि कृपा अद्भुतवीचे। कृष्ण देवा भवन्तं वन्दे, कृष्ण देवा भवन्तं वन्दे, कृष्ण देवा भवन्तं वन्दे। मन मानस मधुकर मर्पय निज पद पंकज मकरंदे। कृष्ण देवा भवन्तं वन्दे। देवा दिव्यति क्रीडयति। He is always playing. Krishna also always playing with whom? Srimati Radhika. Or Srimati Radhika, she is always playing with Krishna. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Sam Banwari. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari, गिरिधारी श्याम बनवारी। मेरो राधा रमन गिरिधारी, गिरिधारी श्याम बनवारी। गिरिधारी गिरिधारी श्याम बनवारी। Very nice beautiful song, na? मेरो राधा रमन गिरि। My mind always absorbed with Giridhari Krishna. Giridhari Krishna, understand? Krishna's name is called Giridhari. He lifted Giriraj Govardhan. For this regard, his name is called Giridhari. Look this. So the Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari. Giridhari Sam Banwari. So now she is saying. So, Devi Kahi Dottamana Parama Sundari, and Devi is another meaning. Srimati Radhika's form is very unique and unparalleled. Dottamana Parama Sundari. Parama Sundari means her form, beauty is unique and unparalleled. For this regard, Krishna always chasing behind to Srimati Radhika. Krishna's form is very beautiful. He also is called Deva. But when you compare, which form is beauty? A more beautiful? Srimati Radhika. For this regard, Krishna chasing behind to Srimati Radhika. Madhamadadi Yovane Pramodamana Mandite प्रियानुराग रंजिते कला विलास पंडिते अनन्न धन्न कुंज राज्य काम केलि कोविदे कदा करी शशियमां कदा कृपा कटाक्ष भाजन अनंत कोटि विष्णु लोक नम्र पद्मजार्चित हिमाद्रिजा पुलो मजा विरिंचजा बराप्र अपार रिद्धि सिद्धि सत पदांगुली नखे कदा करी शशियमां कृपा कटाक्ष भाजन। Look. Srimati Radhika, she is very smart, understand? Very proud of her beauty, of her all kinds of activities. So saying, Madha Madadi Jauvane Pramodamana Mandite प्रियानुराग रंजिते कला विलास पंडिते अनन्न धन कुंज राज्य काम केली कोविदे कदा करी सचिव मांग कृपा कटाक्ष भाजनम है। एंड कृष्ण chasing behind to Srimati Radhika, running up. और श्रीमती राधिका हे माधव चलो है। That is called prema kalaha. What did he say? Prema kalaha. Kalaha means quarrel. Divine, what is it called? Loving quarrel. Prema kalaha. Eh? When you are loving quarrel, that is called, oh, I don't like you. Chalo, chalo. How many times he chalo, chalo means go, go. How many times? 2. So that means don't go, stay with her. Eh? This is wrong. 2 negative makes a positive. I'm not saying you go. How many times you go? Go, 2. That means don't go. Stay. For next time he go, chalo. Eh? Madhava, Madhava jahi. Madhava, Madhava jahi. Madhava, Mahavada kaitava. Chalo. Eh? Get out here. Eh? I don't like you. I don't like you. Mane, I like you. Eh? Madhupa Kitaba Bandho Mahapisrangi. Eh? Brahmar Git. Black bee. Try to sit the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Eh? Then Srimati Radhika she did man. Srimati Radhika she is thinking, oh, this black bee is the messenger of Krishna. Eh? Understand? And he has come from Mathura to pacify my man. Eh? So for the Srimati Radhika in a transcendental vision, Bhavnetra she is thinking, oh, Krishna sent his messenger to pacify my man. So for the Srimati Radhika she is saying, Madhupo Kitapa Bandhu Mahavisrangi. Hey black bee, get out here. Why you have to come here? Madhupa. Oh, you are great cheater and also your friend also great cheater. Understand? So 2 cheater also make friendship. Understand? This is true or wrong? So you are also cheater. Black bee. You are cheater. Are your friend Krishna also cheater? And so saying Madhupa Kitapa Bandhu Mahapisran. Look this. So this type of like. Very nice, beautiful thing. You read. Then what is my book? Brahmar Git. The song of the bumblebee. What are the books? Very nice book. Madhupa Kitapa Bandhu Mahapisran. So just I also explain this. Krishna Deva, what do you say? Devi Krishnamai Prakta Radhika Parodevata. Sarva Lakshmai Sarvakanti Sanmahini Para. Yeah, they just use this word Devi. Devi kahi Dutamana Parama Sundari. How Srimati Radhika is beautiful form. You cannot imagine. This book. Read this, very nice. Srimati Radhika. Here the bamboo is small. And try to fit the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika, she chastised the bumblebee. Hey! Stupid nonsense. Don't touch my lotus feet. You drank lot of alcohol. Srimati Radhika she is saying. For this regard, your head spinning. Head is spinning. If anybody drank lot of alcohol, he cannot speak. And head not working. He cannot walk also. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she told, hey, you drank lot of alcohol, so don't touch my lotus feet. Then Blagvi told, no, yes, Samini, Srimati Radhika, I did not touch alcohol. So why your head is spinning? When Blagvi crying, the head also is spinning and making sound. Then Blagvi told, no, this is spontaneous nature. When I am flying, then my head starts to spin. Okay, Srimati Radhika, okay, you did not drink alcohol. Okay. So why your mustache? Covered with the, what is called? Kumkum. Where do you get this? Stupid nonsense. You must, coming from Mathura, and Krishna's many consorts is there. They offer that the garland, and the garland their chest kumkum, and that garland you seated for the So for this regard kumkum on your mustache. No, man, I mean this no. I didn't. Hey! Get out here. So many kathas is there. You read this book. Madhubaketa Bando Ma Visrangi. Very sweet lila is there also. Actually, this is how I am saying. This is called Prema Kalaha. Prema Kalaha, understand? That is called what is called? Divine loving quarrel. And if you love someone, automatically a quarrel will come. Quarrel are coming or not? But in this matter, too much quarrel, then big problem. Always remember, loving quarrel. That Sanskrit word that is called Prema Kalaha. Kalaha means quarrel. This. So just I was explaining. So Devi kahi dotamana parama sundari kingba Krishna kidar basati nagari. And Srimati Radhika whole limbs and body. Actually that is called Krishna's playing, what is called?
Like lots of different
Entertainment. This thing. Because Krishna, playground. Okay. Okay, see, say. You read this.
Amusement park.
Because Krishna, and he is the, what is called, just I told, he is called best connoisseur. Connoisseur. Yeah. So now coming in this way. So Krishna enter in our court of the heart of Srimati Radhika. That the prema is there. Just I give an example as the lotus blossom. Then inside the lotus, middle of the lotus, there is a lot of pollen. What the color of the pollen? Golden. So now Blagvi, that means Krishna, entered in there. And then Krishna's body completely covered with pollen. That is a golden complexion. So no one can recognize he is Krishna. Now blackish person completely covered with golden complexion. So saying this Radha Pranamahima Kidisu Bhaniva Sajjodjanam Madhurima. Krishna is saying, what is my beauty? Always Srimati Radhika she is releasing. Then third, Krishna is thinking, when Srimati Radhika she released my beauty and all these things, what kind of realization coming in her heart? I have to test. For this regard, Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandana Gaur Hari. This part is three regions. Internal, three regions. Siradhaya, Pranamahima, Kidiso, Baniva. Saddot Jana, Madhurima, Kidiso, Banaiva. Sokkancha Madhunhuta, Kidiso Biti Lubhat. Tadbhavadda Samajana Sachi Garba Sindhu, Harinda. Look this. This is the internal. And these are of Krishna. And our other things are external. And so saying the Prem Ras Nirjas Korita Sadan Ragmarge Bhakti Lok Korita Pracharan Rasik Sekhar Krishna Parama Korun. And ei dui hetu hoite Lilara Udgam. Krishna is called Rasik Sekhar. So Krishna now appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandana Gaur Hari. And he is releasing the sweet mellows from the heart of Srimati Radhika. And he also releasing and testing and also distribute to everybody. Because now Krishna, that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very magnanimous and munificent. He is releasing and also giving to everybody. Take this. Take this. So for this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu raise one hand. One hand is taking. Or another hand? Giving. Take this. Very quick. For the same hand not. Maybe take too much time. For this regard, two hands, One hand raised or another hand giving. Here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Here the two hands raised. Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari.
On top with Radha.
On the top. Oh, they are good Sundar. He is taking this. And another hand giving. Take this, take everybody. Anarpita charing chirad karuna avatirna karo. समर्पयतुन्नतो उज्ज्वल संसभक्ति श्रीराम हरि पुरट सुंदर दिदिकदा संदेर पिता सदा हृदय कंदरे स्फुरतु सचीनंदन. Rupa Goswami Pad composed this verse. This prem, highest prem, he did not give to anyone. But in this Kali Yuga, he is releasing and giving. For the honor Pita Charing Shirat. Every Kali Yugas, Krishna did not come in the form of Sachinandana Gaur Hari. When he comes? Only one day of a Brahma. At the end of Dapar Yuga, same Krishna, he appears in the form of Sachinandana Gaur Hari. For the honor Pitam Charing Chirat. Not every Kali Yuga he comes. One day of a Brahma. One day of a Brahma means how many yugas? 1000 Chaturjug. Satta, Treta, Dapar, Kali. In this rotation, coming how many? 1000. And the end of Dapar Yug, same Krishna he comes. Varinandana Samsundar. Or when Dapar Yug finish, then same Krishna he appears in the form of Sachinandana Gaur Hari in the beginning of Kali Yuga. Kali Prabham. This thing. Then he giving this prem to everyone. For the Anarpita Charing Chirat Korune Avatirna Karo. Shirokalami Nahi Kori Prem Bhakti Dan. Every Kali Yuga I am not coming or not giving this highest prem. This for this Kali Yuga is called which Kali Yuga? Dhanna Kali Yuga. के जावी रे भाई भव सिंधु पार धन्ना कली जुगे रचई तनय अवतार के जावी যাবি রে ভাই ভব সিন্ধু পার ধন কলি যুগের চৈ তনয় অবতার আমার গৌরাঙ্গের ঘাটে ওদান খেয়াব জড়ায় অন্ধ আতুর সবই পার নাইস সঙ্গ না হ্যাঁ धन्य कलियुग दिस कलियुग नेम इज कॉल्ड स्पेशल कलियुग धन्य कलियुग है स्पेशली दिस कलियुग लॉर्ड चैतन्य महाप्रभु indiscriminately he distribute this prem to everybody. Take this. He did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. जारे तारे जारे देखे तारे देन प्रेम बिलाइया. Whatever is coming, who is coming in front of him, he is giving. Even 6 types of people. How many? 6 types of people. They don't want to receive. There is a mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I have to give also. This is his magnanimity. I have to give. So for the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is chasing behind the 6 types of people. Who are they? Nindu, Pasandi, Karmi, and Karmanistha, and also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Podua Pasandi, 5 types, 6 types of, they don't want. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, no, in this Kali Yuga I took vow, I promised that I give to everybody. Understand? Look this, Mahaprabhu. This for this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Namo Mahavadannaya. Namo Mahavadannaya. Krishna Prema Pradayate. Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya. Namne Gauratise Namaha. Rup Sanatan. They recited this verse and glorified to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss more. Very nice. How Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called munificent and magnanimous. He is given. Hey, come, take it. And Krishna did not give. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is giving. Krishna gave something inside the Braj. Datasu ko opi prema uvadanjati. Krishna gave the prem in Braj, his own associates, Parikar. Understand? Trees, Vrindavan trees, and others he gave. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, same Krishna appeared, and in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari, he distributed this prem inside Braj, outside Braj, everywhere. And South India, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled in South India, also distributed. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu proceeded to Vrindavan, on the way of Jharikhanda, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave prem to everybody. Tiger, snake, birds, bears, everybody. Take this prem. Look this prem. Even Mayavadi, Kutarkik, Pasandi, Karmanistha, Podua, Adam, এই 6 ব্যক্তি ধাইয়া পলাইল তার লাগি প্রভু সন্ন্যাস Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is chasing them. Take this prem. You don't want. But Lord Chaitanya, hey, open your mouth. You don't want to open your mouth, you know. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taken his 2 fingers. Take this. Some people are saying, no, this is very high level. I am not able to. Hey, high level. Take this. giving this prem to everybody. Preme unmatta karaira sabe. Everybody completely intoxicated, divine love of Braj Prem. Huh? They are singing, eh? Nishanta Leela, Vrindadevi, hey! Jai Jai Sri Radha. Okay, now 8:30, no? What is the time now?
8:30.
8:30, okay. Then evening program also. Sweet or no? Huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Huh?
Now time for the waterfall?
Huh?
Waterfall?
Prashad.
Prashad?
What is your question?
Yes, Maharaj. I have a question about you mentioned Siddha Deha. And what is the process first that we have to do for Siddha Pranali?
Siddha Pranali. First Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, this is Siddha Pranali. And 2 ways our Goswami explained Siddha Pranali, not Babaji Sampradaya. Gurudev explained. And Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartuti, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhava and Prem, that is Siddha Pranali. The perfect Pranali means a process. Pranali means process, how to attain this. That is Siddha Pranali. Or another Siddha Pranali explained, Nam Sankirtan, Nam Harinam. Tanadapi Suni Chena, Taroriva Sahisnuna, Amanina Manadena, Kirtaniya Sada Hari. Kirtaniya Sada Hari. Only chant holy names. But how will chant holy names? You have to acquire the 4 qualifications. Pranadapi, Sunich, Tariva Srishna, Omani Manad. Understand? If you are not chanting holy names, how possible you realize your transcendental consciousness form? Nam Sankirtan. This is the process also. That is called Siddha Pranali. Not just, I tell you, oh, you are this Manjari. Which Manjari? Jalebi Manjari, Rasgulla Manjari, Jamun Manjari, Pakoda Manjari. No. You have to
Realize yourself.
practice yourself, then realize yourself. First remove all the anarthas from your heart. Anarthas? Unwanted things. Lust, anger, stupid, nonsense, rascal. Many things. And Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj only use this word. Rascal. Use this word. His Grantha, very nice, sweet. Remove this. And step by step. Adu Guru Padasraya, Diksha, Siksha, Visram Veno, Guru Seva. You have to follow the 64 limbs of Bhakti. Bhakti Choshat Prakarsha Anga. How many limbs of Bhakti? 64 limbs of Bhakti. Adu Guru Padasraya. First taking shelter under the feet of Guru. That is Guru Padasraya. Then receive Diksha Mantra, Harinam Mantra, Nam Mantra, then Diksha Mantra. Then Samandha Gyan will come, knowledge of relationship. You understand? This is the process also. Siksha, you have to learn Shastra. Shastra Gyan need also. Krishna Tattva, Jeev Tattva, Maya Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, Rasa Tattva, Prema Tattva. Siksha. Visram Bheno Guru Seva, serve Gurudev intimacy. And follow these rules step by step. This is called actual Siddha Pranali. Pranali means process. Or another also, Mahaprabhu very simple told, chant holy names. But how will chant holy name? Cherupe naam loile prem upajay taha lakhan suna sarup ram rai. Mahaprabhu told. And how will attain your highest perfection goal? Prem. Now then chant holy names. But how will chant holy names? Then Mahaprabhu saying, Trinadapi suni chena taroriva sahisnuna amanina manadena kirtaniya sadahari. Nam Sankirtan. Without chanting holy names, any method, your heart will never neat and clean. So saying, Cheto darpana marjanam. What do you say? Our heart is as like mirror. You use mirror or not? When you put tilak, you arrange, you put mirror. Cheto darpana marjanam. This mirror, nice mirror. Clean. Take one cloth. Cheto darpana marjanam. Bhava maha davagnirvapanam. Sreya kairva chandrika vitaranam. Vidya budhu jivanam. Anandam vadi vardhanam pratipadam. Purnamrita sadhanam. Asadhanam. Purnamrita sadhanam. Sarva atma snapanam. Snapanam understand? Very nice. Then savar. Sarva atma snapanam. Param vijayate Sri Krishna sankirtanam. Learn this. Cheto darpana marjanam. Cheto darpana marjanam. Good enough. Follow Vrindavan Vihari Lal.
You said yesterday there's 12 rasas and 5 are primary, 5 are secondary. What are the 7 secondary ones?
Bhakta Sampadasana. You read my this book.
Of the heart.
Jewels of the heart. Santa Dasa Sakha Vatsalya and Madhurya, conjugal mode. This is called 5 primary rasas or 7 secondary rasas. Hasa, Adbhut, Korun, Veer, Vivatsa, and in this way. You can read this. Or Bhajan Rasa Grantha, everything is there. Everywhere. Many times we explain this way.
I've never heard that before. I've never heard it before.
Or you read, then you heard. You heard many times because many times I am speaking. Every day I am speaking. You did not hear, you cannot say this way. But you forget. You still, I forget, this is another. Because the nature of the condition to forget. Forget, forget and forgiveness is a great virtue. Forgive and forget. Forgiveness is a great virtue. Remember.